2017 Land Rover Discovery. I'm gonna take the window sills out. I took them out already, but I want to show you guys how easy they are to take out, because you know these seals here makes it more complicated when it's in there. You're trying to lay the two-step. So what I did right here, it's a screw that you got to take loose, and this is the little clip right here. You got to get a little screwdriver, pop the clip out, and take this screw out right here, and then you'll be able to pull it back. But it got these clips right here that it clips on too. This is what it clips on too. So you just pull it off and then pull it out, and then you can easily bottom drop. I already tinted the windows on here, so I want to show you guys the tint. I already dropped it in there. So I already tinted the windows. So it was very easy to do when I take the seal out. See, there's no seal. Take this screw out, pop it back, pull the seal out, and you'll be good. Peace.